boys are gone out west on vacation with their mom, so they'll be back in about a couple weeks. So we got a few things to kind of keep us busy. I got a fun adventure for them when they get back. So today, it's a nice, beautiful, really cloudy day. Thunderstorms look like they're coming in. Maybe. The weather said it was a 50-50 chance, but we could hear the thunder. Had a couple sprinkles, but let's go take a tour of our garden today. Why not?
I think you got one that did longer.
So diatomaceous was the natural way. We had been coming out here for quite some time. For really, I mean, it was many days we came out here just constantly picking caterpillars off. The broccoli and cabbage.
Is that for mommy?
Yeah, it was finally got to the point where we used diatomaceous on them, and that kept it actually really at bay. And you actually started seeing them to come back, and we got a lot more broccoli back. Cabbage is a little dry, so we'll take some layers out, but it definitely helped the crop. Doing that the natural way to keep the caterpillars at bay. Like it. Anne said she was hearing some thunder out there. This is gorgeous.
Those tomato plants are not supposed to be there.
The tomato plants, huh?
All of those in there. They were volunteer plants from our chickens when they were here.
Oh. What does that mean?
It means when we would feed the chickens scraps in here, I'd feed them tomato seeds in the insides of tomatoes and stuff.
Oh.
And they just grew after I planted my plants.
This is where we had the chickens.
Yep, I have the chickens all right here.
And
I gave your mom some, and I threw away probably 70 tomato plants.
wow.
These are the ones I just was hoping something would get extra harvest from them.
Well,
They're all
tomatoes
over
are
there.
easy to grow, that's for sure.
Look at this right here. I didn't get this little guy though. Look. These are our acorn squash. Look at all this grass everywhere. So he's ready to be gotten. Well, we've been having a lot of stink bugs in here. That's ready to get out.
Wow.
And there's more in there. I need to get some scissors.
It's time for the naming of the ducks. We have come across a couple names. What was your names again?
Fred and Ethel.
Fred and Ethel?
Yeah, like merch, and then I love Lucy.
Oh, from I Love Lucy? Fred and Ethel. You think that's it? What about Charles and Guinevere?
That's too classy for that.
They
That's
did-
not classy, that's-
Yeah, but they are nasty, but they look classy. They walk classy. Fred and Ethel or Charles and Guinevere? Charles. Look, he's coming. Guinevere? No, that's a good question. To be continued.
That's camera?
That's a camera. Decided it was time to go ahead and check some of these potatoes. We've been kind of putting them as long as we can. So this was probably one of the most important crops, in my opinion, we did this year. I'm really hoping, I don't know, I'm hoping for a pretty decent harvest, but I'm not gonna lie, Angela's right, we did get some small potatoes. But we got some good ones, too. So I think we're gonna go ahead and harvest them. What's that, honey? Baked potatoes out of these tonight? I think that's a great idea.
Grayson's right there walking with it.
Ooh,
Ooh, look at that one.
that's a big potato.
It's a good potato right there.
Oh, some good potatoes. That's actually not bad, babe.
Yeah, a lot of people would do the test on them and see, because we did cut potatoes.
Yeah.
So instead of a whole potato, I would just cut off each of the eyes it would grow.
Okay.
And then I'd see people doing the test and they would do the whole potatoes instead
Really?
of cutting them, and it seems like they had better harvest out of them that way.
With full potatoes instead of
Doing
doing
full
the peas?
potatoes, yeah.
So we didn't do that though.
No, I cut, like I would take one potato that was growing in all sorts of different directions and I would take it, cut it. So we're gonna have to have a very prepared plan whenever we do these next
Yeah.
year.
Yeah.
Yes,
Such
as
as?
far as we need to have our pest control here, what we're gonna do, if we're gonna do oils or diatomaceous, or diatomaceous worked great, it's just we waited too long to do it.
Is this ready?
I don't know. It's falling over, so I started to take some of the ones out that are falling over, because I'm not sure if they're falling over when kids were leaning on them or if they're past their prime.
There's more potatoes in there.
Sometimes there are, yeah.
Yeah, see one. No. What
Yeah.
about in the other plant? No.
Yeah.
You can't go
Well, that would
Potatoes.
Potatoes.
see, these are smaller. I'd like to let these get bigger,
Well,
but
they're
the whole
ready to
plant's
go.
falling over.
Yeah, so she's ready to go.
So we'll use these, and
I was watching the.
a lot more growth that could have happened, but they're already turning over and dying.
And what would you say would be the way to remedy that though? Your thought process anyway.
I don't know. Maybe we let them grow longer. I'm not sure.
I don't know. I mean,
I
these
think our
look
thing
like
is
they're
to
done.
Give that to Daddy.
I mean, look at the harvest. Looks like it's pretty toast.
I think what we need to have is the problem in here too, is that the potatoes are supposed to grow down, and they can't grow down because this is a shallow.
He climbed up on that little swing.
Can you come show me right here? What'd you do with them?
Look. You're walking.
Wow.
Look, Mommy. That's walking.
He's walking. What is it? Is it a bug?
Eating.
What's he got there?
Potato beetle.
Potato beetle?
Yes.
So those little guys,
Oops.
Look. You're
every
walking.
day to pick out every day.
Beans. These will stay in a big bush on the ground down here.
Our bush beans are down there. Have you picked your bush beans?
He's picking them right now. Put some right here. That's these right here. Those are our bush beans. And the purple ones are our pole beans.
These are really good.
Yeah.
They just come and hang out here.
Yeah, and you come in and pick a pole bean.
Sweet.
Oh, I'm so excited for that.
Thunderstorm.
Yes.
Need some rain. So these are
So it's from this stick over this way are all bush beans. This one didn't grow for some reason.
And this right here.
There's an extra one right here. It's not growing.
It's from the rabbit lodge. The stuff on top. The stuff on top is from the rabbit lodge.
Oh yeah, it's our rabbit fertilizer.
Yeah. Okay, so this is our broccoli right here growing. This is cauliflower right here. Yeah, that's cauliflower.
Do you see anything in there or no?
No. One over here I did on the other side. That's just our small cauliflower coming. And then we have our Swiss chard.
Water in there?
This is our favorite. This is our favorite treat, isn't it? Guinevere, did we get any eggs today? Charles is just watching out for Guinevere while she's eating. I love ducks, man. Ducks are cool. Here, bud. Here. Here. You want to feed them? Here, feed them. Hold it and feed them. Put it in there. Put it in there like this. Hold it like this, Gracie. Hold it like that.
I'm hungry.
Hold it. Yeah, in there and feed them. Go feed them. Go feed them. Took a few bites of this myself. Definitely bitter Swiss chard. But the animals that feed our garden also get fed this and they love it. Hungry. Starting to get out, aren't they? What up, guys? Man, you guys are some beautiful colors. Look at them come. Praise the Lord. We're getting our rain. Nothing better than rain. You can water it all day long, but there's nothing better than heavenly rain on your garden. Is it loud?
It's loud.
Hey, stay over here. You don't want to get struck.
Don't you do wet?
It's all wet.
All wet.
Swiss chard. Sage is in there.
You looking for the ground squirrels?
I'm finding one.
Did you find any ground squirrels yet?
I'm finding one.
Okay. Are you an excavator? Putting all the dirt in the rabbit's water? That's the life.
I'm finding
That's the life right there.
No.
Show the crowd what you're capable of. There you go. When it comes to getting lumber moved, he's your job. He's your man for the job. This is a dream right here. All this for kids to play on. Just can't put a price on that. You guys having fun there? That's a typical morning for us, and this is just wonderful. it called for the 2 hottest days of the year, yesterday and today, and it didn't happen. It is beautiful in my opinion. It feels great. So hope you enjoy our little tour of the garden. As always, we always make everything a fun adventure for us. We're learning a whole lot. When we planted this garden, we didn't have all the knowledge. We just gathered knowledge as we could during the time that we had before we had to start planting, and we just started getting things going. We don't have all the answers, but definitely learned a lot during this process, and it's just, you gotta start somewhere. So just start and, you know, learn along the way. One thing I learned already, I want to do larger. But all in all, Angela's taken some amazing recipes, you know, having a plant-based diet myself and eating, you know, strictly veggies as my source of nutrition. She has come up with some amazing recipes out of Whole Foods, and it's been delicious, and my health has definitely benefited from the side effects. So thanks for joining us today. Make someone happy, make someone smile, be blessed, and have a great day.